So, if you're vibe coding and you're wondering which coding agent should you use, you're probably hearing about Claude Code. You're probably hearing about ChatGPT Codex. You're probably hearing about open source. You're hearing about Cursor. Damn, where do I begin? I got you. I got you. Your boy LS3 got you. All right. So first, we'll start off with the big Kahuna. Right. This is a lot of people regard this as the best coding agent on the planet. A lot of people are saying Opus 4.6. Yeah, they're saying this is it, man. I think so. I got on Claude Code around November timeframe of 2025. That's when I think that's when Optus 4.5 came out. And I can't lie, did not see this coming. Like I had seen some. There's always been some type of like GitHub Copilot or thing like that, but using Claude Code was just it just changed everything for me. I really saw the possibilities. It was so different because I didn't I made a video about a few months ago about how AI is going to help us, but I didn't really see it that much in coding. Now I see it. In my opinion, is the best. Now, when you go to the pricing, you get it can get expensive, right? So you got the max plan. I think it's that'll run you like $200 a month, but that gives you like 200 the XP usage of that, right? So yeah, you got just the max plan, only about $200. But to be honest with you, I don't think they have another plan that's $100 and they have $20. I would start off with 20. Start off with 20. All of them are around 20. Just start off with them for 20. But I think you will really enjoy Claude Code, especially if you're just now learning how to, coding agents in your coding workflow. I think that's the best way to go. Start out with Claude. So I guess you don't have to watch the video anymore. That's it. But I will talk about the other ones and the rest now. So the next one we're gonna do is Codex. Now I use Codex too. Now Codex, what I have noticed about Codex, it's really, in my opinion, good at debugging. Right. So I did quality assurance for a lot of time as a software engineer. A lot of times, like in my role, I read code. I don't write code. Like when you're doing QA, you just so Codex really helps that a lot because it does the Git versions where it shows you like the difference and where you did do a good like what changed, what files. I think it has a photo right here actually. It just shows you the files. It's just really good. It's really good at debugging for some odd reason. Now that's not to say Claude isn't that good, but I just feel like this. I don't know. I just when I want to debug something, I feel like going to Codex. If that makes sense. I think it's good. A lot of people like Codex. A lot of people say Codex is better for development than Claude, and Claude is like people who don't really have a lot of experience in coding, and they say Claude kind of helps you more so with design, things like that. But I'm sure you can do the same with Codex. But that's general people's opinions that I've seen. Okay, the next one, Cursor. I can't lie, I don't use Cursor. I'm strictly a terminal guy. I don't really use any IDEs. I tried to use Cursor before and it worked at first, but I just felt like it was slowing up my workflow. So I just got rid of it. I just don't use Cursor at all. So I don't, and I don't teach people to use Cursor. The terminal is your friend. It's one of the best. You can use a IDE if you want to, but I just don't. And right here is the open code. Now this is the one I really wanted to get on. So this is gonna allow you to use open source models, right? Now, what I mean by open source models, these can be two things. They can be locally. You can download a model and connect it to this open code, right? You can connect it to it and you can use the model. I think they got some models here. So you show you. So they also have this Zen too. So if you don't have any computer, with good hardware, things like that, you can use their Zen thing. So it's basically like you'll pay another $20 subscription, but I think you get more for this, right? Because open source AI models is really the real future, in my opinion. You're seeing a lot of these models getting trained. They're saying like Quinn. Let me say that here for you. You can do it like this. You can connect to a provider, and you have these different ones. You can use Anthropic, Open. Just open code Zen, and you'll just place your API key in there and everything, and then you'll just start using it. So this is really and truly what I would like people to use more. This is like something I want to put some toward more often. That's going on because I believe that it is the future. I believe open source is the future of AI because we can't have these AI models being like constantly trained under like big computer or big corporate architecture. Our AI works better when we use it together collaboratively, right? As a unit collectively. That's when AI is operating its best because guys, do not forget AI, Anthropic's model, I don't give a damn who it is. All these AI models, ChatGPT, they used our data to train these models. So it is your right to use these models. It is your data, our data. Yeah. So that's why we need to move the conversation forward so we have a real AI revolution where we control the AI and then we can use it to like our best benefit. All right, man. It's your boy Lou, man. If y'all enjoyed the video, give a subscribe. We'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.